So wanted to just throw together something a little different. Usually you don't see me because I'm behind the camera shooting the customers with the drone, but yeah, I had a really good 2 days in Nashville. Went down to see a customer in Orlando with JS Concrete. About a month ago, we went down and shot interview part of the testimonial, and he wanted us to come back down on a job site that more showcase what he did with his equipment. He has a T76 and a couple E50s. The first job site I went down to, he was digging footers with the E50 and really just moving dirt, mostly with the 76. The next day went out to a apartment complex and he was running his E50 with a breaker, just removing some concrete walkway. Orlando's a really good customer. He's a really good guy. What we do with these testimonials, we like to showcase our customer. We like to show what they do with the Bobcat equipment, the benefits. I think from a customer standpoint, watching something and hearing that from somebody that runs it every day, somebody that relies on the equipment to get the job done, we can tell you as a Bobcat dealership that our equipment is the best, right? It's always good to hear it from customers. It's not scripted. We want to know the story. We want to know why he chooses Bobcat, why he chooses Bobcat of Nashville. You know, it's something that we love to showcase.